How are you all? Good afternoon. So class 3, in our light class, we have done the story that is a list. Okay, in the light class we have done a story, a list, in which there are two characters. The first one is Toad and the second one is Frog. And in the story starts with a list. The story starts with a list that the Toad has prepared. And why he has prepared so? Because he thinks that whatever I have to do in a whole day, I should write it up. According to that, I will do all my work. So, according to him, in his list, it was wake up, eat breakfast, get dressed, then go to Frog's house, take a walk with Frog, eat lunch, take a nap, play games with Frog, eat dinner, go to sleep. So, according to his list, he got up, he had breakfast, he got dressed, and he went to Frog's house. And when he went to Frog's house, he showed his list to his friend that, see, this is my list. That's the list of things that I have to do today. And meanwhile, when he was saying that, now this is the time to go for walk. It is in my list, so let's go for walk. And just then, his list blew off. उसकी लिस्ट जो है वो हवा में उड़ गई और वो उसके पीछे भागा जरूर, but he said that, oh, it was not in my list to run after the list. So how could I run? लेकिन उसके दोस्त फ्रॉग वो लिस्ट के पीछे भागा, but he could not catch them too. After that, they did nothing. They just sat idle on a rock or stone, whatever you say. Okay. Now after that, when it got dark, Frog said, Toad, it's getting dark. Let's go to sleep. And when Toad heard the phrase, go to sleep, oh, this was the last thing that I had written in my list. So what did he do? He just wrote, go to sleep on the ground, and he crossed it out. And then he said that let's go to sleep. Okay, so this was the story. Now we will do some written work. So, class 3, this was the story or list. This is chapter number 1 in your course book. And now we will go for written work. Okay, for the written work, as I had told you in the class that this was your homework, that you have to prepare a list just like Toad prepared. Okay, so you have to write exactly the same what Toad wrote. Okay, so I have here a rectangular piece of paper, color paper, in which I have to write the things which Toad wrote. Okay, and after that I am going to paste it. So it is a list of things to do today. Okay, and what did Toad write? He wrote, wake up. Then he wrote, eat breakfast. Then he wrote, get dressed. Then what did he write? Go to Frog's house. Next he wrote, take a walk with Frog. Take a walk with frog. Then he wrote eat lunch. Eat lunch. Next he wrote take a nap. Then he wrote play games with frog. Play games with frog. Then he wrote eat dinner, and at last go to sleep. Now I have prepared the list that the toad prepared, and now I am going to paste it on a piece of, I am going to paste it here on my notebook. Okay, this is the list that Toad prepared, and I am going to write it exactly. I have written it exactly, and I am going to paste it. So this is the first work that you are going to do before starting up the lesson. Now it is pasted up. Okay, it is pasted up. Now it is the time to start our written work. Okay, so here I have prepared a list of things to do today. This is not my listing, this is Toad's listing. Okay, now next what you need to do in your notebook, you need to write classwork, chapter number 1, a list. Then the first thing that you are going to do is you have to write new words, and the new words are toad, T-O-A-D, toad, H-E-A-D-I-N-G, heading. And do you know what is heading? This is the heading. As it is written here, a list of things to do today. This is the heading, and this is the spelling, H-E-A-D-I-N-G, heading. Then written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. Number 4, dressed, D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed. Then number 5 is pocket, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket. Number 6, blowing, B-L-O-W-I-N-G, blowing. Number 7, nothing, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. Number 8, stouter, stouter. I have told you what is stouter. Stouter means thoda sa mota. Okay, stouter. The toad is stouter than frog. Hind legs, hind legs. And the last one is E-N-T-R-Y, entry, E-N-T-R-Y, entry. So this you need to write in your notebook after pasting this list first. After that you will do new words. Okay. Now the next work that you need to do in your notebook is you have to write the word meanings from the book. Word meanings from the book, and the words are T-O-A-D, toad, which means a toad has shorter hind legs and is stouter than a frog. The next word is heading, H-E-A-D-I-N-G, heading. A title at the end of a page or a section of a book, or it is generally on the top. Next is number 3, frog. What is a frog? A frog, it has a longer hind legs than a toad has green skin. Okay. Next thing that you need to do is answer the following questions. And how many questions are there? There are 3 questions. Okay, I am showing you the notes. I am reading it out. You can see and write. or you can listen and write. The next thing that you need to do is answer the following question. This is the third thing that you need to do. This is the fourth thing. The first one was the list. The second one was the new word. And the third one was the word meanings. And this is the fourth thing that you need to do. In the live class, I will make you learn all these question answers. But for the video purpose, I am just showing you the question answers. So just I am reading it out. What did Toad do after eating breakfast? Breakfast करने के बाद Toad ने क्या किया? Toad crossed out the entry. What did Toad do? He just crossed out the entry. यहाँ eat breakfast लिखा हुआ है, उसने ये entry को crossed out किया. That this thing I have done. Toad crossed out the entry for eating his breakfast after he had eaten it. जब उसने खाना नाश्ता कर लिया तो उसने eat breakfast को cross out कर लिया. Now the next question is, what did Toad feel about the list flying away? Why couldn't he chase his list? जब उसका लिस्ट हवा में उड़ रहा था तो उसने लिस्ट के बारे में क्या सोचा और वो क्यों नहीं लिस्ट को चेस किया? This is the question and the answer is Toad felt very bad about his list flying away. Toad को बहुत बुरा लगा जब उसकी लिस्ट उड़ गई. He could not chase the list. वो लिस्ट को चेज नहीं कर पाया बिकॉज क्योंकि इट वॉज नॉट ऑन हिज लिस्ट. क्योंकि लिस्ट के पीछे भागना है ये उसकी लिस्ट में नहीं लिखा था. अगेन आई एम सेइंग द आंसर. Toad felt very bad about his list flying away. He could not chase the list because it was not on his list of things to do. The next question. Sorry. The next question is, without my list, I can't do anything. I will just have to sit here and do nothing. Who says this and why? Without my list, I can't do anything. मेरे लिस्ट के बगैर तो मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता. I will just have to sit here and do nothing. मैं यहीं बैठूंगा और कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Who says this and why? ये किसने कहा था और क्यों कहा था? So the answer is, Toad says these lines. He says so because he had written all he had to do in the list. Toad ने कहा था ये और इसलिए कहा था क्योंकि उसने जो जो लिखा था उसको वही करना था. Because he had written all he had to do in the list. जो उसे करना था वो उसने लिस्ट में लिखा था, लेकिन लिस्ट में तो नहीं था कि उसे क्या करना है और बिना लिस्ट के वो उसे याद भी नहीं था कि उसे क्या करना है. That's why he was sitting idle and he did nothing after that. Next is question number 4. What was the last thing on Toad's list? टोड के लिस्ट में सबसे लास्ट वाली चीज़ क्या थी? What was the last thing? How did Toad finally remember it? टोड को याद नहीं था लेकिन उसे at last याद कैसे आया? The last thing, this is the answer, the last thing on Toad's list was to go to sleep. सबसे लास्ट थिंग टोड की लिस्ट में थी go to sleep. He remembered it when frog said that. उसे तब आया जब फ्रॉग ने कहा it was getting dark and that they should go to sleep. It was getting dark and that they should go to sleep. So this was the question answers. This you need to write in the notebook. Okay, and with this the chapter ends here. This chapter ends here means it ends here for notebook, but the questions and the exercises are left in the book. Okay, so that's all for today, class 3. Have a nice day. Bye bye.